Kani gadai kedarshan Meghalaya, bat ni pediang sngobhai pi baro syakatuk kubor mentah ke janmit. Pada syua bangin pai ki kubor ki babnia ngin ya pechuai ki mat bakongsan. Penlong jingya keren Menteri Rang Badu ke New Zealand Christopher Luxon buat Narendra Modi hanong ba Delhi. Amit Shah halor ke jing penteri kam ya ke criminal law ke bathamai hakitan chatai lam mingi jongkari. Play ke Meghalaya ya ke parti Dawyong kat kum ke jing start sayan ke Beningkong ha East Giant Hills. Unong thau an ke seng TMC ban wanra da ki sky train bat ki bus school ban yele persya ya ke jing e jong ke jing dheng kali ha Shillong. Bat ai jing yarap ke HYC sya ke Longyeng ke bekerdu ha Marshan Namlang. Ki khubor ki babania Menteri Rang Badu ke New Zealand Christopher Luxon ula penlong ya ke jingekren bat Menteri Rang Badu ke Narendra Modi hanong ba Delhi ban penklan ya ke jingete paralog hapadeng jongki. On saya soy sos kular halor bun kimat bat Luxon on saya kendu ru ya ke Presiden ke Draupadi Murmu ha Rashtrapati Bhavan. Khamashwa ulalet banle burom ya Mahatma Gandhi ha Rajghat ya ke jingwan jingo jong Luxon ke basansngi layasan ranlang daki kenhun high level bat ke jingtemu ban penklan ya ke jingadei ha ki liang baper bat ban wanra ya ke jingadei ha pedeng ki nong shong shnong jong kini ki ari. Menteri Ketenat ki Kampok Yeng ke Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah ula penyat ya ke jingyalang ban kemi penyak ha Guwahati kenang ban la ban bishar ya ke jing penteri kam ya ke criminal law bathamai ha keleng ki jela jong ka than chatai la mingi. Hagani ke jingyalang lawan bani shimenta da Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma bat ki wede ki Menteri Rangba jong kathan ka bapai kmat halor ke jinglong jong ki lai teli ki criminal law ki bathamai hakathan chatai la mingi. Kani ke jingkmi benya ka thmu ban penklan ya ka bor an bat ban kentiu ya ka kam pahara hakathan. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma ula play perda ya ka parti Dawyong katkum ka jing start sayan ka Beningkong e jong ka jela ha East Giant Hills henne ke sngi. Ka senjam ka bansa ken mau hadin ki spa snem jong ka jing perking ya ka jing ti bean ya ka ne ka senjam la shim hadin jong ka jing perking jong ka National Green Tribunal Arhajar Khatsau ka bathmu ban penke em ya ka jingti Dawyong ha ka jela katkum ka jing start sayan ka bai trailang bat ka an bat ka ban penne pensa Menteri Rangba ke jela ula batai ya ka ne ka sngi kum ka red letter day na ka benta ka Meghalaya ka balam sha ka bai thamai hakikam ti Dawyong.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state.
Ha pedeng ke jingjur ki jingdheng kali ha nong ba shilong unong thau an ka seng TMC iba Charles Pungrop ila kentu ya ka sorkar jilla ban persang ban wanra da ki sky train kum kalat ke ban ne slam ha ka jingele ban penduna ya ka jingdheng kali. Ila ai jingmut ban shna ya ki lintirel na jrong khnang ban penduna ya ka jingdheng kali ha ki jaka sor kham tam ha bakmi ya ka jingduna jaka. Iba Pungrop ila terwaru ban penya ya ki bos haman ki skul da ka boong baka ne kala penduna ya ka jingdheng kali hajela asam na ka jingduna ki kali private ban yat ha ka por bakhamnya. Kadba ila kubur ru ya ka jingyarap jong ka jingpenyat ya ki stem bus ila pensngopat ya ka jingsngok khia shaphang ka jingpenyeng ya ki harut surok kabala wanlam ya ka jingkhapnya bat ka jingslam.
If you just go to a bordering state of Assam, you will see that every school, no matter how big or small, parents use the buses. And they are not air-conditioned buses. In the heat, the children travel. In the dust, they travel. Yet, it is the most convenient way. So I will request you to go through that document, which was published by the STEM Society, and you'll be surprised at the amount of benefits that the entire community derives by using this. Exactly. See, what's a skywalk? A skywalk is an elevated road which takes people. So in that place, instead of a skywalk, if you can have a sky train, it will go all around the city. If that is possible, it should be examined.
Ka Henyo Trap Youth Council HYC Lai Lingdo Circle harengkat bat ka unit jongka na marshan namlang kila let ban jingo ya ka yeng jong uba Chedral Lingkhoi henen kesngi ban ai jingerap syakalong yeng jong u. Uba Lingkhoi ubala shimti ban penhe pensan ya ki lai ngot ki khon roj ki bala sa khon swet hadien ka jingklat no ka henmen jong u ulamat bon ki jing e bat jing duna pisa ka bala ban shu da ka jing yo pang jong iwei na ki khelong ka kenhon jong ka HYC kala ai ya ki jing don kam bat ya ka mar bam ban yarap bat penduna ya ki jing e jong ka ni ka long yeng. U President ke HYC uba lomlang khars emle ula kentu ya kisnong githau ban long ki balakloy ban ai jingarap ya ki baduk bekerdo.
Naglian jong I kumi kinyi isem ya ka jing ba kli ban sumar sukhar ya kini ki langut ki konsuat ki ba la ka kumi jong ni sam ka de ka para jong I bila no sadin bila le no aswa kmat ka jong blai te naglian jong I wan jong aden bangila yo jing tep mila wan jong a ni ka yeng ka bangila pro naglian jong kunyi sumar sukhar ya kini ki konsuat ban we udon of dang sistem udon hang ni ga we pat yeng ten rein naglian jong apa ni yeng ba ki don ban we konsuat la simno da ka jakari konsuat ko don ha no pendeng nata we pat udon ha selong we kan thei don ha selong te kata ka de ka jing sam jing kan jing yeng sam
La penlong ya ke regional workshop halor ka challenges and opportunities in millet cultivation NER perspective negesngi ha pelau jong ka College of Community Science CAU Imphal Hatura. La penlong ya ke ni ka workshop haringkat ke jinges nok tilang bat ka AICRP on a sorghum and Small Millets ICAR IIMR Hyderabad. Ki nong wat benya bat ki nong rap na keleng jong kathan chatay lam mingi kelay don lang bat banya phaliu jingmut halor ka jingmentoy ban rap ya ukrai ha kathan. Ki jingekren ba kongsan ki kentup ya ki jingekren halor ki jingmentoy jong ukrai na kabenta ka kwat ka khia ka jingla ban ya khun persha ya ka jingkala ka sunmeneng bat ki jing ha ka jing rap ka ba. Kani ka jing elang kala pelet jing mut ru halor ka jing pen bha ya ki jing thung ka jing pen ya hap dor bat kilat kilenti ban pen ya yo ya ki palat chispa san phongut kilayawan management ha kani ka workshop ka bakin thup ya ki nong rep ki nong sengkam sengjam ki nong thau an bat ki riu pau khman.
We have also received directives from the Government of India to increase use of millets in our staple diet on day-to-day basis. At present, we have set a target of 30% use of millets in our diets. You are well aware that we follow the community fooding system, and around 100, 150, 200 Jawans, they have the regular meals at one place. So increasing the percentage to 30% by replacing the wheat and rice, you can well imagine the impact on the economy of doing the farming of the cereals, these millets.
Ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority kala penlong ya ka jing ai jing hikai halor ka jing penyesuk bat ka rukom ban penyesuk ha ka imlang ka salang na ka benta ki rang basnong bat ki sim ha umling CNRD block henne ka sngi ha ka ni ka program lawan management da ki he officer badai pet baki bakenthop ya UTTM sangma u officer ha kam bakerpang ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority bat ki wei ki officer. Kani ka program ai jing hikai ka kampen le jing mut halor ka jing ai bor ya ki nong yalam shnong ban penbet ya ka jing yakin at ban wanra ya ka jing songsuk ha ka imlang ka salang ha ka rukom ka basuk bat ka bakot bor kat kum ki rukom tenrai ka jing tmu jong kani ka program ka long ban pen klan ya ka jing yarap jong ki an ban pennek pensa ya ki riti dustur tenrai bat ban kentiu ya ka hok bat ka jing senshar ka batrai kam ha keleng ka jela Meghalaya.
In addition to the powers that they already exercise under, the customary practices and traditions, we plan to supplant it by maybe introducing the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered, making justice more accessible, more fair, trying to balance the individual rights and also the power of the headman without taking away any of the powers from them. So these, as you all aware, that the 6th schedule of the Constitution, being a part of the Constitution, cannot be violative of any principles of the, or any articles of the Constitution. So we want to make the people aware of the powers that they can, the headmen especially, the powers that they can exercise, and also to balance individual rights.
Ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society harengkat bat ka office jong ka Eastern West KHASI Hills District kala penlong ya ka skill literate connect hash nong kinshi hene ka sngi. Ya ka ni ka program ba arsngi linter la penlong kumshi benta jong ka jingsdang ya ka skill acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. Bat la play perda da i menteri ketenat ka kot ka kia i Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo bat menteri jong ketenat sports ba Shakliar Wardri kum ukongsan ha ka ni ka sngi. I Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo ila banjur halor ka jing don kam jong ka jing shania halade bat ka jing kenkor ya ka jing sengkam la jong kat kum ka sap ka phong bat ka jing tibet ban ai ka kam sarkar. Kani ka program ka kentup ru ya ka jing sam ya ki sernot bat ka jing pen inam ya ki march nakti jong ka than.
Tangin ya pen kelaya la ka jong kucing long tik mi ki pa. La dau kon jong pi ura yo mo keu. Ai kucing nyarap yo. Ban ong ukon jong nga udai unong rep. Bat ngau rem. Kakam sarkar kanung ayu kon jong pi ya kata ka jing kemen men sim. Kabaki entrepreneurs kidon. Ngakermen kecing wan kecing ngasade. Ka message pinyo. Ka message kalang. What ju ong ngamla. Pidai ban ong ngan persyang. Hadu pangan dat tebit. Pat ngan yo ke kamai ke kaji ke ban penim me ki kon ki keti ki jonga.
Kumbah nyongut Kishipai Pakistan kila syaksiat yap bat kumbah laipo ki weipat kila mensau ha kaba ki lekno Balok Liberation Army kila let tombor ya ki basket Shipai ha Nosh ki district kaba hap ha Balochistan province. Kene kejing syak tombor kala ja haba ka kali ka bakit ya ki tiar pen bethai kala let tenra ya ka wei na kini ki bos bat pen praya ka. Ka BLA kala kam ba ka don kti ha ka ne ka jing tombor da ka ba ong ba kila penyap ya ki kendai pongut ki Shipai. Ka ne ka jing tombor kala mi hadin ba ki lekno BLA kila kitbor ya ka Jafar Express train ka bakit ya ki saus pa san pongut ki nong let nongwan. Ka balang Katolik ha umkti ka bahap hapo ka umroi sub district jong ka Maubri parish kala rakhi ya ka Jubilee Ksiar da ka jingle kemen ka bakrau ka bakentup ru ya ka jingkerku ya ka yengmane badang syudap shna themai. U Archbishop Victor Lingdo ula penyat ya ka mas bakhut bad ula kurkuru ya ka yengmane da ka boong ba ka dei ka jingle isen ai jong ublei balak men pendep ya ka jingtei ya ka yengmane. Laseng ya kabalang ha usnem syajar kendai spa andru punriu kabamenta ka syakri ya kisispa nyau pautli ki longyeng jong kabalang kabadang peteng ban penyar ya ka jengen.
Kay mani laina ying mani kay ying ban mani maneno yau play negara ka jindon kani kay ying kabay tuna kani kay mani kay ara ke pibaro bantik yo play baki yo play ban sekri yo play kani kay mani ka pumong kala bakin do ya pibaro malaka po kay mani ban buayan ban manilang yo play ban yorong yo play ban perto ye ka mesin theateri mesin GA mesin jamaah kepi kha kay mani jompi
Mentang ini pet ya jinglong jingman kesun meneng hatura. Ka jing kriat kalong 8 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 11 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong arpusan na ka shispa. Habab hai pat senong bak shilong ka jing kriat kalong 0.0 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpusan 0.2 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong prap saupupra na ka shispa. Kat bah hajawai pat ka jing kriat kalong 1 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpusau degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong laipo na ka shispa. Ka sun meneng kan rang hatura bat jawai bat hashilong. Cakap kut jong ketup kubor ngin yapet biak sasisien ya kimat bakongsan. Penlong jingnya keren Menteri Rang Badu ke New Zealand Christopher Luxon bat Narendra Modi hanong bak Delhi. Kami punya Amit Shah halor ke jing Menteri Kam ya ke criminal law ke bertemai hakitan catai lami ini jonggeri. Play ke Meghalaya ya ke parti Doyong kat kum ke jing start sayan ke Beningkong ha East Giant Hills. Ai jing mut unong tauan ke seng TMC ban wanra daki sky train bat ki baskul ban yalek persya ya ke jing jong ke jing deheng kali ha Shillong. Bat ai jing erap ke HYC sya ke Longyeng ke Bekerdu ha Marshan Namlang. Ti paralog katung ila poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jongi mentah ke janmiat hadu bangin de syam yang bat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro.
Pradesh, 185 from Manipur, 63 from Meghalaya, 44 from Mizoram, 88 from Nagaland, 13 from Sikkim and 147 from Tripura have secured recognition from the Department for Promotion of